between you bunch of legends. Currently on a bloody big boat with a couple of boats loaded on board. We're on our way to our next adventure. These next couple of episodes, we're going to be on Northwest Island. See him over there in the background now. We're about 7 k's out. What you're going to see over the next couple of days is heaps of spearing, heaps of fishing, heaps of island adventures, and I'm so bloody excited. We're here for 14 days. This is going to be an absolutely unreal trip. Kick your feet up, crack a beer, get comfy. We'll show you what Northwest Island and the northern end of the Great Barrier Reef has got to offer. Let's go.
So once the boats are all off, it's time to get the equipment off the boat, and the only way to do that is by hand. So everybody gets in, unloads all the equipment and drops it down on the beach. So once the ferry takes off, you then carry all your gear into your campsite. Now we had a nighttime high tide this time, so we had to do everything in the dark, which just adds that little bit more fun. But all in all, great experience. This was really cool, and shout out to Curtis Ferries and the team on board for helping us get all the gear off. A really cool way to start the trip.
Alright, we can actually see a little bit in now. We've got kitchen set up, table, battery box, fridge, boxes, chairs, swag. Hopefully you can still see this in the night time. And we're getting ready to cook up some dinner. It's nearly 11 o'clock at night. Dinner, beer, bed, and get up and do some spearing in the morning. This is what we're looking at in the daylight. Dossie, good morning.
Nice morning on the island.
Big tarp, the baseline through the middle, swags, chairs, fridge freezer set up, battery box connected to kilowatt of solar, cooking station. So day one, we're gonna get up, we're gonna have some brekkie, have a coffee, go load the boat, get the first section of the tide where we're gonna have to be in by about midday. But we're gonna head around and do some cray diving and start getting the lungs warmed up for what's gonna be 14 days of diving, fishing and adventure. Let's get it. So obviously being on an island, we've got no internet. And Aiden, being the clever boy that he is, got the Starlink set up. So this will mean we'll be able to check the weather, check the tides, keep an eye on any storms that might be in the area, text the loved ones, text the oldies, let them know that we're safe. And if anything was ever to happen, you've got a way to contact the mainland. Beauty, look at that.
All right.
See if it works. Into the power.
And it should be booting up.
Bingo. We have Starlink. Stop it. Oh, come on. Yeah, turn it up. Here we go. Yeah. Yes.
Huh?
Woo. She's a little bit turbulent, but we're getting in, jumping in for a quick little dive. It's only real shallow. We're just gonna have a bit of a play and warm the guns up and hopefully try and grab a couple of crays. Woo! Back in, a little bit rough. This went a bit pooey, and there's a 4.5 metre tiger shark that lives around here, so you really want to be able to see him coming. We're heading back into land. We're about to lose our window for when we can get in and out, so we've decided to park up for the evening. While it's a bit blowy, we'll try again tomorrow. So good to get in the water and have a dive after a couple of months, and luckily for us we've got 13 more days to go. Woo! day one. Weather's a little bit snotty at the moment. It looks like it's going to come good as of Friday. So we're just chilling out. We're going to go down, have a couple of drinks on the beach and watch the sunset. So I'll throw the drone up and we'll either see you tomorrow or potentially Friday when the weather comes good. Then it's going to be all hands on deck. We're going to have 5 or 6 boats all hooking out to this prime fishing ground. We're going to be spearing, fishing, all that jazz. It's going to be amazing. Sit tight, hang in there. It's going to be a good trip. See you guys. Well, sorry guys, I missed the sunset. We moved the boat.
Prevent us from crashing into a whole bunch of other tinnies.
Yeah, so we looked down the beach and there was about 6 boats parked around the Hange, which is not ideal if a storm comes or whatever. Anyway, moving on. So we moved it, but tonight on the menu we've got, what do we got?
Lamb souvlaki.
Ooh. A bit of that. Wrap that bad boy up. Cheers. That is tough. Oh, that is so tough. Yum. We've just been for a little morning walk and found a couple of coconuts on the beach.
Oof, that one hit it.
Come on. Oh, stop it. Oh, stop it. Ooh.
Ooh, that one's rotten.
Oh shit, Aiden. Oh no. Oh god, my eyes are watering. Oh fuck. I thought that looked yellow.
It was like
Well,
too creamy.
the first one we got was nice. There we go, that's some beautiful coconut water there. But fucking okay, well, what do you reckon? We're gonna make some pina coladas out of that? Yeah.
100%.
Alright, let's do it. Oh, I can't believe how rank that was.
Smells good.
Yum yum. Cheers. Oh, there's some Malibu in that bad boy. Woo! Ah, what do we have here? Finally, 3 days on the island and we've got a decent little weather window. So today we're going to shoot out and we're going to grab a couple of lobsters while we're still on the finfish closer. So it's saying 15 knots. It looks like it's under predicted at the moment, so we're hoping it is. So we're going to shoot out and get some diving in for a few hours. Whew. Finally, let's go. How unreal is the colour of this water? It's literally, it's been blowing what, 20 knots? 20, probably plus. The first day was probably 30. We've had 20, 30 knot winds for the last 3 days. And then today was supposed to be 15 as well. But just at a glance, it's looking like it might be a little bit under predicted. So fingers crossed, we're gonna get out and it's gonna be really, really nice. Yeah, get it, boy. Woo! Like, come on. Yeah, next minute, Colette. So it's a known fact that there's a tracked tiger named Colette.
She's a 4-metre female tiger shark that lives in this area, so hopefully we get to say hello, but not on bad terms. But who knows? We shall see. Anyway, shout out to Aim Right Spearfishing. Got a new suit off them. This thing is bloody unreal. Have a go at the size of this thing. Yes, that is a big cray. One on the box, let's go.
Just gotta figure him out.
Woo. Yum.
Cray on a cray.
Steak and cray for dinner.
Good. Big boys.
Delicious. That's as good as it gets. That's going to be us for the day. Might do some more videos on the island, but we'll throw the drone up later and hopefully get a good sunset. The last two have been a little bit average. We'll see you in there on the land. Stop it. Lovely chunk of our lobster that we caught today. Today we're going to have surf and turf. So, big eye fillet steaks, garlic butter cray tail. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, start by cutting them in half. Bit on the piss there, Jakey. Come on. Really good stuff. Kmart slicer that Aiden bought. This thing is absolutely brilliant. And then generous serving of garlic over the top. Measure garlic with the heart, everyone. And that's what we're looking at. Oh. Look at that. Yeah, we're doing it tough. Really are doing it tough out here on North West. Actually, I don't know if we're going to make it, to be honest with you. There we go, got two beautiful lobster tails up the rest. We've just chucked the steaks back in the garlic butter just to give them a little bit of extra flavour. Oh, yum. Slap that bad boy on there. I think it's safe to say I bloody enjoyed that. You going over there? Still going. Yummo. Alright, going to bed now for reals tonight. Wow, English. Going to bed now for reals, guys. See you in the morning. We'll do it all again. Good morning. Welcome to game day. We're calling it game day because the reef closure ended at midnight last night, which means today it's open season for trout, tuskies, red throat, you name it, we can take it. So what we're going to do today, about 5 or 6 boats come in late last night, and there's about 3 or 4 parked out the front, so they all know what's going on. We're going to hit the bommies that we hit yesterday and see if the big trout that we seen yesterday is still hanging around. So we're going to load up on trout, then we're going to head across to our cray spots and hopefully load up on some more big lobsters. And then Aiden and I are going to push out a little bit deeper and drop into some, pardon me, get the burps, drop into some 20, 25, maybe even 30 metre ground. We'll see how we feel. Hopefully get some jobbies, some big trout and whatever else is hanging around, maybe even a bit of pelagic action, but we'll see how we go. So get comfy, lock in, because today's footage is going to be mental. It's going to be a lot of fish, it's going to be a lot of crays, it's going to be a sick day. Let's get it. I'll tell you what, it is a bad day to be a coral trout at North West Island. Got all the guns ready to go. We've just pulled up at the first bommy where we've seen a couple of big trout yesterday. We're gonna gear up and jump in and start loading this esky.
What's he gotta do now? Tell me, baby, what's a man? Oh, what's a man? Tell me, baby, what's a man? What's a man got to do?
Oh man! Ow! He's pinching the fuck out of me!
Tell me, baby, what's a man? Oh, what's a man? Tell me, baby, what's a man? What's a man got to do? What's he gotta do now?
Now I don't know if you can see it properly. Probably can't with the GoPro. There's turtles banging there. There's turtles banging here right in front of the boat. And then there's another set of turtles banging, another two sets of turtles banging in the distance.
Stop it. Dude, that is a dog tusky.
Good size.
That's massive. Couple of big crays, couple of big trouties.
Now we go back in for a fillet session. Dear oh dear. What a way to end a fantastic day spearing. Unfortunately, we've had some steering issues on the old girl, so we're just getting a tow in. We'll beach her and hopefully fix it tonight. Just working our way in through the shallows now. Racing the tide. We've got... we got 10 minutes to get across. Hopefully we make it. Let's go.
First day, despite the boat problems.
We'll fix that.
Beautiful.
There you go, look at that.
Heavy bastard.
Oh yeah. How bloody good.
Freezer starting to look really good. I know.
We're gonna cruise down and hopefully try and fix the power steering in the boat. Oh, I'm sunburnt. Try and fix the power steering in the boat this afternoon so we can go out again tomorrow.
Awesome.
Another little bit that's fallen out in some stage of the day that we've just realised is actually important. Oh my god. And that would be why the helm was loose, because the keyway fell out. There we go. Mechanic. Mechanic. Good job. We were stressing and we nearly lost the steering in the boat. Oh my god. But it's all fixed and it looks like we're good to go again. Let's go! Yes! Back again, so we fixed one problem, now we're gonna fix the next. Today, we lost the bolt that holds the roller, that holds the anchor to the boat without it hitting the bottom of the hull, so now we're gonna try and fix that. Peg, blowtorch, and brute strength, let's see how we go. Let's go. Look at that. Unreal. Yes. How's the backdrop?
There's no way that can even come out.
Nah, that's perfect. Look at that. You beauty. How's this side? Yeah, nah, that's not going anywhere.
I shouldn't have said that.
Oh my god, what a day. Got dinner happening here. What do we got? We've got some lamb again, tzatziki, bitter, garlic bread. What an eventful day. We're gonna have dinner. We're gonna re-anchor the boat back on the mooring now that it's fixed and ready to go, and that's all you're gonna see for us tonight. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and we'll see you tomorrow, do it all again and see what the next adventure is.